This crystalline deposit you see here is mainly lead sulfate and copper sulfate, and it happens due to the reaction of acidic fumes from the vents with the terminals. To clean it, make sure to turn off the inverter first and then remove the terminals very carefully. Make sure not to apply too much pressure on the terminals as it can damage it. If it's too tight, try using two spanners to loosen it. I am using 1 cup of warm water with 1 spoon of baking soda in it, which will neutralize the acid deposit on the terminals. However, if your battery is corroding very frequently, then it can be a sign of other problems such as faulty inverter, overcharging of the battery, etc., which often leads to the faster corrosion of the terminals. After cleaning, wipe it completely dry and apply a layer of petroleum jelly or other grease to prevent it from further corrosion. When topping up electrolytes, make sure not to fill it to the brim, as it can increase the formation of acidic fumes, which is the main cause of corrosion on the terminals. Another major culprit is loose connection, so make sure when you connect the terminals with the battery, it is completely secured. And finally, add another layer of petroleum jelly to the terminals so that it is completely insulated. And that's it. Give it a final wipe and you are good to go. See the transformation for yourself. Follow for more quick fixes.